Hello everyone, myself MD Abid Hasan Roni Bokshi. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to present my work. Let me start now. The title of my work, IoT based manhole management system for open manhole covers, and co-author are Aslam Mahmud Siam, Jannatul Firdaus, Muhammad Samsul Islam, and MD Shumon Reza. Here is the introduction of my work. The IoT-based manhole management system is a project aimed at improving the management of manhole covers in urban infrastructure. The system uses IoT technology to monitor the status of manhole covers in real time and sends alert to the authorities if a manhole cover is open or missing. The system also includes an Android application to notify the public if they are near an open manhole cover and to ensure their safety. The project was developed using Node MCU microcontroller as an instance of Arduino microcontroller, and the programming language we were used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and Dart for developing the Android application. The system provides an efficient and effective solution for the management of manhole covers, reducing the overall cost of maintenance and ensuring public safety. Here are the objectives of our work. To develop an IoT-based system that can monitor the status of manhole covers in real time using Node MCU microcontroller. To develop an alert system that notifies the public if they are near an open manhole cover using an Android application. To include the location of each manhole cover in the system, we uses Google Map. To ensure timely inspection and maintenance of the manhole covers to prevent any accidents or damage. The methodology of our work. The IoT-based manhole management system was developed using a combination of hardware and software components. The hardware components consist of Node MCU microcontroller, which was installed in the manhole covers, and sensor that detect the status of the cover open or closed. The data collected from the sensor were sent to a central server using Wi-Fi network. As we know, Node MCU microcontroller has built-in Wi-Fi adapter. A dashboard also developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to display the data collected from the sensors, including the location of each manhole covers obtaining from the Google Maps API. An Android application was also developed to notify the public if they are near an open manhole cover. The application used GPS to obtain the user's real-time location, and if the user was near an open manhole covers, the application sent a notification to ensure their safety. The data collected from the sensors were stored in a database, and API was used to retrieve and display the location of each manhole cover. Here is the web user interface of our system. Our system consists two user interface. One is web user interface and another one is Android user interface. From the web user interface, we can add a manhole information using latitude and longitude of the location, and we can also check all the manhole cover status from the web user interface, which is only accessible by the authorities. The Android user interface. In the first picture, we can see the flow diagram of our Android application. A user access the mobile app, then app collect user location using the GPS, and it check user is near an open manhole or not. If the user is near an open manhole, then it display an alert message so that user can take necessary action. In second picture, we can see the Google Map including the manhole status, where the manhole are located, and the manhole cover is closed, then it will shown like green, and if a manhole cover is open or missing, then it will show in red. If a user move to an open manhole, then the app will give an alert to the user and their mobile will also start vibrating. So here is the calculation part of our system. We used Hasan formula to calculate the distance between an open manhole and public. The formula is calculate the distance between an open manhole and public using the latitude, longitude, and the radius of Earth. Resultant discussion. This paper suggests entirely unique method for monitoring and maintaining the condition of manhole covers. Real-time explanation of manhole covers identification are provided. With the assistance of Node MCU microcontroller, it keeps track the condition of the manhole lid utilizing red switch technology. Using the IoT, it forwarded the information to the relevant authorities. Through Node MCU, those status are continuously tracked and updated. Government officials can take the appropriate action by receiving warning from the microcontroller, and the general public can be informed as well by utilizing the Android application. In this approach, superfluous excursion to check on the condition of manhole covers can be avoided and only necessary ones made. Those are the references of our work. Thank you everyone for listening.